Still negative. We're running out of time. Regulator secure. Mask and lights checked. Ready.
I've got the wing cleared here. Looks like a propeller fighter. Roger, looks like it's in good condition. Keep sweeping the fuselage.
Line is ready. Confirming connection. Secured.
Copy that. Good job.
Cable is taut.
Looks good.
Slow rise.
Line secure. Gentle lift.
All right, hold it steady. Copy that. Moving slowly. Watch out for that algae drip.
Keep it steady. Down slowly.
Yeah.
Hook's there. Got it. Guiding it in now. Right here. Secure. Thumbs up, we got it, that's it, keep it coming.
Keep it steady. Down a few more feet. Stop, hold it right there.
Coming down slow, perfect. The corrosion is substantial, especially on the leading edge. But check the engine mounts, they look stable.
Keep it steady. We've got heavy fouling on this intake.
Copy that, specialist. Damage assessment in progress.
Docks are ready. Let's start the unloading procedure.
Copy that. Preparing to secure the aircraft. Keep it steady. Watch the cables. Copy that. Moving it now.
Keep it steady. Guide it left, just a few feet. Watch the clearance on the tail. Easy, easy. Hold it there. Perfect. We're aligned. Let's secure it. All right, slowly dropping. Engage the chocks. Confirmed, lowering now. Lock it down.
Go for launch, ready.
Copy that.
Severe corrosion here. Looks like the wing mount is compromised. We need a full structural assessment. All right, time to fit this new section. Perfect fit.
The seams look perfect. The panels fit exactly right. The restoration is going well.
All right, slowly now. Just a little further. Got it, locked in tight, perfect. All right, let's take a closer look at these blades. They're rotating smoothly, no obstructions. All right, slowly now, watch the alignment on the left. Just a little higher. Easy. All right, just one more turn on this one. Looks solid, boss, good to go. All right, perfect color match for the fuselage. All right, perfect fit, just where it belongs. Intake looks clean. Check. Move to the blades. All right, doors are open. The beast is ready for the runway.
Hold steady, power up. Roger that. Checking parameters.
Continuing forward, clear the bay.
Confirmed clear.
Prep complete. Engine 2 is ready to spool.
Copy. Initiating sequence.
Engines are online. Initiating launch sequence. Good to go.
Tower, this is Reaper 1-1 at Point Alpha, cleared for takeoff. Reaper 1-1, cleared for takeoff. Understood. Taxi to the hangar, over.
Keep it slow and steady, Captain. Looking good. Copy that. Moving slowly.